I'm Anil Kumar, and my question from compound angle trigonometric formulas has been taken from this particular test paper. Here are a couple of questions. I'd like you to see the test paper first, and this is the modified question which I have taken in this particular example. And that's a very good question to start with. Now here is the compound angle formula question for your test paper. Evaluate sine of pi by 8 plus cos of pi by 8 times sine of pi by 8 minus cos of pi by 8. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now, to evaluate this, let us first multiply and open the brackets. It is kind of a plus b times a minus b, right? So when you expand, you get a square minus b square. So sine of pi by 8 plus cos of pi by 8 times sine of pi by 8 minus cos of pi by 8 will result into sine square pi by 8 minus cos square pi by 8, correct? Now, does that remind you of some compound angle formula? Yes, it does, right? So the compound angle formula which goes with this is kind of cos of 2a could be written as cos square a minus sine square a, correct? However, we have sine square a minus cos square a over here. So, in this case, we should be writing negative, right? Now it becomes, or let me write first this as cos square pi by 8 minus sine square pi by 8. And now I will apply this formula and write this in terms of cos of 2a. A for me is pi by 8, right? So I can write this as cos of 2 times pi by 8 negative cos of 2 times pi by 8, which is minus cos of pi by 4. And you know, cos pi by 4 is square root 2 over 2. So we should write this as square root 2 over 2 with a negative sign. So that is how you can evaluate this particular expression. My recommendation is not to write 1 over square root 2. Always rationalize, okay? No radicals in the denominator. That is kind of rule, okay? I hope that helps. Thank you.